our principle at the moment is very clear. I think the concerns that we have all expressed in April have not changed, which is not an attack on my party, it's merely an acknowledgement of a certain reality. But in the larger context, I've said a lot of other things that you guys are ignoring.
ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವಿತ FCRA ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಂಸದ ಶಶಿ ತರೂರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳ ಪಠ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಲುವು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರೋ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡೂ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೀವ್ರವಾಗಿ ವಿರೋಧಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಶಶಿ ತರೂರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
We are hearing that delimitation bill and CRA bill is also on the cards.
For what, today or for the week?
So in the coming days only.
Coming days. So we'll see when they come. I think the main thing is to look at the text, see how they modified it, and then we'll decide what needs to be done. I think our principle at the moment is very clear. What we know about the bills, what we've seen of the bills, we are not going to agree to either of them. So we are committed to opposing very strongly.
So government is in talk with Congress party regarding delimitation bill. How do you see this development?
Well, I don't know, frankly, I'm not part of those discussions. But I think the concerns that we have all expressed in April have not changed.
But so your party is not happy with your comment on the CJP versus the Chhatron Ki Goonj program.
Look, I don't want to prolong these controversies. Listen to the entire conversation. You'll see the context in which I said what I said, which is that we've actually raised these issues even before anybody else. The first Chhatron Ki Goonj was well before any of these gatherings at Jantar Mantar. But subsequently, there is very little doubt objectively that they had greater impact and resonance. That's all I said, which is not an attack on my party, it's merely an acknowledgement of a certain reality. But in the larger context, I've said a lot of other things that you guys are ignoring.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಸುದ್ದಿಯ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ್ಲೇ ಒನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.